go ahead and try to ream this thing out. So we'll see. Can you tell me what that is?
Right?
That's the answer. Why somebody put that on there to do that?
I
No.
wasn't living here at the time, so
We're,
I can tell you.
We're going to try to do it the right way.
All right.
So let's see how it goes from here. All right. You ready, Todd? Let's see. I've never done this before, but we're going to try it. Okay, let's increase the speed over here to drill. And if it doesn't work, no big deal. We'll just go in the garage and repipe the whole thing. Funky, huh? Well, let's go a little bit more. Still got to go a little bit more.
Okay. Lucky you're in the shade.
Oh boy, good time for that, isn't it? We planned it perfectly.
Yeah.
Almost. Okay. Other than a ton of debris in there, that looks like it did what it's supposed to do. I think we can go ahead and glue into that and see what happens. Kind of cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's give that a go. This is Brian from my irrigation guy. We'll see how it works.